The wing's still strong though, the wing. Look, it got damaged right there, see? It got damaged right there. See?
From what?
Got damaged. It hit this right here. This thing right here, the chip. Hit the wood chip. Yeah, it got damaged. Okay.
No, I want a new airplane.
You want a new airplane? Okay, throw it, ready? Throw it. Okay, throw it. Okay, throw it this way. Go ahead and throw it. Ooh, oh! Oh my god. Oh no! Oh no.
What happened?
We got a gopher. We have a gopher. There's a gopher. We got a gopher.
Welcome to Super Baby Colors. Hi YouTube kid, welcome to Super Baby Color. Today we're playing this.
We're unboxing the X14. What's that? Glider. And it's actually, we got it at Toys R Us when Toys R Us was closing. Now Toys R Us is forever closed.
We know.
Super Baby Color.
Get this from Toys R Us.
Yeah, we did. We got it from Toys R Us.
No, remember our airplane show?
Oh, we got this airplane show? Sorry kids, I thought we got it at Toys R Us. Yeah, okay, you can open it? Let's open it, let's see. So let's see what it says first, hang on. So it's a X-Wing 14 glider, age 8 and up. And it's the by Duncan. So Duncan is the famous, what is it, yo-yo manufacturer. So 14 wingspan. And see, 14-inch wingspan, fly incredible distant. So today is kind of windy, so we won't be flying anywhere far. And high performance plane with long glide time, easy to assemble, ready to fly in second. Pre-installed balance ball inside. Okay, for proper weight and distribution. So you don't hold like that, but you hold like right there by the wing, and that's how you hold it. Okay, open it up. Super Baby Color. Let's see which one we got. I don't know which one we got.
I think we got orange and blue.
Orange and blue? Oh, orange and blue, there it is. Let's see. Yeah, so it comes in a sealed bag. So, you know, open the bag right here.
This is easy to open.
Yeah. Okay, be careful and break it. Okay, that's the back wing. That's the body of the frame. I see. That's the body. Is that the right way? That's the right. Yeah, that's the right way. Go ahead and pull it from the other side. Pull it slowly, slowly. Okay, can you hold the plane? Let's see. Oh, it won't go. There we go.
It's hard.
Okay, hang on. You know what? Let me see. Let me see. Okay, got that one in. Okay, we got that. So you got the tail in. The tail. Let me put this. Let's see this gun. Whoa, that's not a camera. So here it is. There's the plane. So show the go around, yeah. Do it around. Do it like a little round like that, yeah. There's plane. So the wing. The wing. So I don't know. It came with a weight. Let's say it's a weight distributing. Where's the weight at?
Probably is inside the plane.
Hmm?
Probably is inside the plane.
Is that what it is?
Oh, Aim it this way.
Okay. Okay, you guys want to see it fly? Give me thumbs up, kids. You want to see it fly? Tiger, say, you want to see it fly? Thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up.
Give me thumbs up, thumbs up. There we go.
Okay, hang on. Okay, let's see let's go see it fly. Super big color. Come on. I think I'll fly pretty far. Come on. Come throw it here. Come throw it here. Come on. Let me see, throw it. Whoa! That didn't go far. It went about 10 feet.
10 feet away.
Yeah. Do it again. Yeah.
I just turned it.
It turned? Okay, you know how to hold it, right? Okay, do it again. Whoa! There you go. That was cool. Ready? Ready to catch it? Here you go. I'm gonna throw it to you, okay? Oh, I didn't do a good job. Hang on. Hang on. I just said hold the front like this. You hold it like that. And you. Okay, ready? Here you go. There you go. Oh, that was cool. I didn't move back a little further. Go. Oh, you turn it. Okay, here you go. Okay, ready? Here you go. I'm gonna throw it again. Oh, it went down. It went down. Okay, throw it. Yeah. Yay! Crashed into the bush. Crashed into the bush. It went into the bush. Yeah, the wing's still strong though. The wing. Look, it got damaged right there. See? It got damaged right there. See?
What?
Got damaged. It hit this right here. This thing right here. The chip. Hit the wood chip. Yeah, it got damaged. Okay.
No, I want a new airplane.
You want a new airplane? Okay, throw it. Ready? Throw it. Okay, throw it. Okay, throw it this way. Go ahead and throw it. Ooh, oh, my God. Oh no! Oh no!
What happened?
We got a gopher. We have a gopher. There's a gopher. We got a gopher. Yeah. It's okay.
We need to place traps on them.
Yeah. Let's see. Okay, that's it. Super baby color. That's pretty cool. You like it?
Yeah.
2 thumbs up. We gotta take it to the park because we're now the park is bigger. We gotta throw it harder in the park.
Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta throw it harder, right?
Like
You feel like that?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, what you say, Super Big Color?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Super Baby Colors. Make sure to subscribe and like, please.
Smash that. What is it?
Smash that like button.
What do you say again? Here. Okay, throw the plane. Throw a plane. Throw a plane. Here you go. Throw a plane. Throw a plane. Throw it. Throw it. Whoa. Whoa. It went over. It went over. It went over. Oh. All right, Super Baby Color. What you say, Super Baby Color?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, Super Baby Colors. Make sure to subscribe and airplane that
Light. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye, Super Baby Color.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for showing your plane.